Welcome to my next video. This is not about this Youngsun Impression 2 CD player, nor is it about CEC TL0, which will arrive here tomorrow. This video is about this Sony CDP-297. What's so special about it? You know how I always tell you that the best CD players were sort of from the end of 80s and mid-90s. The very early ones were picked to work on. They just they didn't know what they were doing at the very beginning, but soon they started making brilliant ones, and then the next step was to make them cheaper and cheaper and cheaper, and of course this is just it continued to this day. Well, this is extreme as far as making player cheap. Well, I paid $8 for it. Actually, $8 was the auction. I paid $10. I didn't want to change when I picked it up. It was very, very dirty, filthy. In fact, it has some scratches here and there. But what's so remarkable about it is that it does work very well. You want to keep tracks on it? Look how fast it does it. You want to do fast search? It will do it with the best of them. The mechanism is KSS-240. From the cheap ones, this is probably the best. And the power output of the laser normally is about 0.1 of a milliwatt. This is 0.05 of a milliwatt, so it's like half of it. So you say, well, why don't I come to the point? What's so special about this player? Well, have a look at this. This is what blew my mind. It's empty. There is nothing in there. The power supply doesn't even have a filter. It has the tiny transformer. This is all you need. A couple of larger capacitors, well, I suppose 10,000 and 6,800 microfarad, that's pretty big. And a small 100. What? It appears, oh no, there is a rectifier. There's a full rectifier at the back. There's 4 diodes there. But, you know, it's hardly an elaborate power supply. So as you see, CD player doesn't need to have any parts at all to work and to play CDs. Well, this one actually, excuse me for that noise, it has some. Its main board is on the front panel, and this is the first time I've seen anything like it. That's absolutely crazy. Now, Sony normally have the set of 5 pots. Well, on KSS-240 you can see there are 3 potentiometers there. One is, I think, for tracking, one is for focus, and the third one is for laser power. But that's just astounding. And normally they have several cables going to the mechanism. In here it's all done on one ribbon. Well, I only replaced a belt on it, and I cleaned it extensively because it was so dirty that I just wanted to do a video about with its before the cleanup with full dirt still on, but I thought this was just nobody would watch further past 10 seconds. Anyway, that's all, folks. So tomorrow I'll start working on the most elaborate players, and this was the simplest player ever. I might do a video one day about servicing of those KSS-240s. It's relatively simple, but you have to get it right when you reassemble it. Okay, well, thank you very much, and till the next one. Bye-bye.